How to fix YouTube description link not clickable. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube description links not clickable problem. So first of all, let's say this is your YouTube channel, and when you add a link on the description section, it's not clickable. So to fix this problem, you have to go to your channel and click on the channel icon from here, and then you just have to click on settings, and you just have to scroll down and click on the channel status and features options from here. And from here you can see the third option, like advanced features. You just have to simply drag down it, and see the second option, external links to video descriptions. Make sure you have this option enabled. So if it's not enabled on your YouTube channel till now, so you have to just intermediate features enabled. So you have to just do a video verification or valid ID verification on channel history should be good enough to enable these advanced features. So after this is enabled to your channel, you just can go to your description and see if again this is not clickable. So make sure your link is fully copied properly, like when you go to Facebook, its profile, make sure to copy the full link and paste it right there, and it should be clickable when you post this video. So that's it for this video. That's how you can fix YouTube description link not clickable problem. See you on the next video, guys.